changes. You know, one day you're a cat.
Just take a little taste for Daddy. Come on, sweetheart.
Or a king. The next day you're just ashes in a box.
How long would you say she has?
Between 2 weeks and 5 minutes.
Mr. Rockwell, my name is Sandy Clarkson.
Yeah, Sandy. How you been, buddy? You're the man with the 5-foot crab. Now, glacier over there in Greenland, it shifts 5 feet. Now, this desk in front of me is bigger than 5 feet.
Mr. Rockwell,
My is a tenth of that size. What do you want me to shut down a $1 billion platform over something that's 10 times the size of my
Oh, I don't believe you understand what's happening, sir.
What did you just say?
Sorry, sir.
Well, I know perfectly well what's going on there, because I'm paying for the whole thing. I'm paying for your 90% Hungarian goose down winter jacket. I'm paying your salary. You want to shut her down?
Well,
say it!
Mr. President, we're utterly unprotected against a disaster of this magnitude.
What's our worst case scenario?
$18 trillion, sir.
Is that all the bad news?
Oh, there's the nuclear waste, too.
Digger here got us into this mess, and Digger's gonna dig us out again.
Well, let's go.
You knew long before the rest of us. That is why it is your problem!
If we can't control the course of nature, at least we can control the narrative.
But it happened.
Mother Nature, she loved the winter.
You're gonna save the world.
All right, fellas, Mother Nature wants to fight.
Is he okay?
Mr. President.
Mr. President?
Get iceberg, let's dance!
Burning down the house. Help me shape the story.
They already know the story.
They know the facts. The story has yet to be told. When all else fails, you hit them with the truth. You know, the hard truth. Just bang, bang, bang. Woo! Woo! Burning down the house. Oh. Yeah, that feels good, doesn't it? That's my girl.